Okay, let's look at number 12 now. Find an equation of the parabola, the vertex at the origin, and passes through the point negative 36, 2, and opens to the left. Okay, you need to know what the standard of equation for a parabola is. So again, this is going to be on page 371. I have your book right here. Okay, we have a page 371 in the book. Okay, right there, what we're going to look at is we're going to look at that one, the equation on the right there, because it's going to, for the equation on the left, that's opening up and opening down. For the equation on the right, that's going to open left or open right. And the problem again says opening to the left. Okay, that's what you're watching for first. You need to know which way it's opening. Is it opening left, right, or is it opening up, down? Okay, so that's our first thing. Our first step is that we're looking at the standard equation. Okay, standard equation, again, I'm looking at page 371 in our book here. Y minus k squared equals 4p x minus h. Okay, and it says that it's opening to the left. If it's opening to the left, we know that p is going to be less than 0. Okay, let's look at the book one more time right here. We can see on this one it's opening to the right, so it's going to the right. Whoops. Again, it's going to the right. It's opening to the right. So therefore, p is greater than 0 in this one. Okay? If it's going to open to the left, p is going to be less than 0. So we know that p is going to be less than 0. It'll be negative. That is what we're looking for. We also know that our vertex is at the origin. Vertex is at the origin. So that means vertex, let's call this step 2. Okay, so our vertex is at 0, 0. And those refer to h and k. Therefore, we know our equation so far is going to be y squared. No, let me not skip a step here. Okay, because I know k is 0, h is 0. So we're going to put y minus 0 squared equals 4p x minus 0 right there. Okay, I can simplify that a little bit. So I have y squared equals 4p times x. Okay, the last thing we need to find now is we need to find p. The way we can find p is let's use the point that we're given, negative 36, 2. So x is negative 36, y is 2, and we'll solve for p. To make sure we're doing this right, p should be negative. Again, it's opening to the left, so we know that p should be negative. Hopefully that will be the case. Again, let's put in 2 for y, and negative 36 for x. So we'll solve for p. Just come into the property there. Switch the numbers around. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, and p is going to be, if we solve this, the 4's would cancel out. All we have is negative 1 over 36. Hey, look at that. That's good. P is negative. That's what we wanted. Okay? That's what we wanted. That means we know it's opening to the left. Our final equation here is y squared equals 4 times negative 1 over 36 times x. Again, I'm just using this equation right here, y squared equals 4 times negative 1 over 36 times x. I can simplify that a little bit. That is our equation.